Nice to see you on this Monday afternoon. I'm meteorologist Josh Stone in for John Scalzi today. Looking at the radar right now, really not much activity taking place along the Sun Coast. This could change later on this afternoon with the heating of the day, and a few of these storms we see in the interior portions should start to flare up and then push westward towards the coast. 88 degrees is our current temperature right now, 2.73. Easterly wind light out of the east, but about 6 miles per hour. But looks like we're going to get our share of storms later on this afternoon, early this evening as they come towards the coast. General thunderstorms, nothing severe by any stretch of the imagination. There is, though, some weather delays up in Chicago with some thunderstorms up there, but that's not for our area. If you're flying out of SRQ up towards the north or even to Denver, there may be some delays with some storms there. But for us, we have dry air above us that's limiting the widespread shower activity. So we're just calling for scattered showers for late this afternoon and this evening. We have this area of high pressure to the northeast of Florida that swings around that northeasterly flow, and that's the steering wind. So with the heating of the day and the sea breeze convergence, these storms are going to start to flare up inland, and then the upper level winds will push them close to the coast. As far as our futurecast, you can see what happens. Generally, these storms move from the east towards the west, and yeah, early to mid-evening hours we'll get some rain activity maybe along the coast, but that's just about it as far as any sort of widespread showers or storms for our area. I don't think that's going to happen. Let's talk about the tropics. Okay, we're in the month of August now, and that's when things start to ramp up. We actually have a little activity out here in the northern Atlantic waters. National Hurricane Center only gives this a 20% chance of developing into something, but as far as what's happening in the Pacific, even though this doesn't affect us, this is just out of interest. We have a couple of tropical systems here, tropical storms actually, and one in particular is actually a Category 4 hurricane. That's right, and it is tracking close to Hawaii with sustained winds of 145 miles per hour. Again, it doesn't affect us, but it's just out of interest that this could swipe Hawaii, and that could be a big weather story by mid this week. For the boaters, expect an easterly northwesterly wind this afternoon at 10 knots, seas 1 to 2 feet with light conditions in the bays. Okay, breaking down your 7-day outlook. Tomorrow, Wednesday, 30% chance of shower activity. By Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, that shower chance lessens, and then the rain does pick up as we get into the latter part of the upcoming weekend and into early next week.